Good morning, students. In topic number 12, study of sound, we already completed sound waves, velocity of sound, reflection of sound, right? Today, we going to study the sonography. Okay, today we start a study sonography. It is a new and advanced technology. In this technology, ultrasonic sound waves are used. In ultrasonic sound wave, we explain that it is used in sonography. By this technique, images of internal organs of human body obtained. Which human body's organs? Mainly our heart. Okay, or if there is a swelling in our body or in a lung, stomach, etc., if there is an infection or if there is a pain, all are detected by using this technology, sonography. By this sonography, at the time of attack, at the time of heart attack, we all know about this problem, heart attack. We can study, we can know the condition of heart by using this sonography. This technique also used in the study of fetus. In the study of fetus, inside womb of mother, आईच्या पोटातील बाळाची होणारी वाढ या सोनोग्राफीने अभ्यासता येते. ओके, तर या इन दिस सोनोग्राफी टेक्निक, सी दिस सोनोग्राफी टेक्निक, इन सोनोग्राफी there are two parts there. One is probe and second one is gel. This gel apply on body. It is important. What is the importance of gel on the body? Means on skin. It apply on the skin, so that because of the gel, the contact between skin and probe makes easy. It makes properly. Probe is, it is like such type of device. At the bottom there the camera is applied. There is a camera, then it connected to the, this device is connected to the computer. It is connected to the computer. Here is camera. When the sonography is used, then on the skin gel is applied, so contact between this skin and probe is made proper. It will give the good contact. This probe, from this probe, the ultrasonic sound waves are produced. Those sound waves are transferred in our body. Then suppose here is our heart, then from this part these sound waves are get reflected back, which is then absorbed by this probe. Then this reflected sound waves transmitted towards the computer, and then by this information in computer, proper image of organ is formed or it generate. Okay, in this way, by using this sonography, internal organs, if there is any problems, are get detected. This technique is a very important because it is painless. It do not cause any paining, and that's why it is used in a medical science for proper diagnosis. But nowadays, these technologies are misused by the many peoples. What is the misuse? काय misuse काय होतं याचा? By using sonography, the sex of fetus is identified. That means whether this fetus is boy or girl. In India, if it is girl, if that fetus is girl, then that fetus is removed from the body. Okay, and if it's boy, then it is allowed only. Okay, so now in India, the rate of girl birth is get reduced. And that's why imbalance is formed in India. काय होतं, मुलगी किंवा मुलगा हे तपासलं जातं या पद्धतीने, आणि जर मुलगी असेल तर त्याची वाढ होऊ दिली जात नाही, त्या फिटेची वाढ होऊ दिली जात नाही. मुलगा असेल वाढ होऊ दिली जाते. त्यामुळे मुलींची संख्या भारतामध्ये कमी झालेली आहे. ओके, बट नाव डेज दिस फिटीसाइड, याला काय म्हणायचं, फिटीसाइड. This feticide nowadays is offense. It is offense under the PNDT Act. त्यासाठी त्यांनी एक ॲक्ट तयार केला, PNDT Act म्हणायचं. ओके, सो सोनोग्राफी इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. देन in our body, the human ear, it is an important organ which is used to hear the sound, right? How we hear the sound? See, the human ear, if you see there, this is the diagram of human ear. In human ear, this part that is called the external ear, then this part is called the middle, and this one was the internal. Means our ear is divided into 3 parts, and in each part it works separately. We have this part of the human being. This one is called as a external. This was the external ear. This external ear collect the sound waves, okay, and passes them through a tube, that is the auditory canal. That tube is called as a auditory canal. Okay, into the next part of ear, that is called as the middle ear. Our external part, ear pinna, it is called the ear pinna. It is a funnel shape, so that all sound waves are easily collected and it passes into the middle ear. The next part, this external part, the next part of the ear is a middle ear. In middle ear, here at the auditory canal, there is eardrum is present. When sound waves are travel, that time there are 2 types of sound waves. when sound waves are travel, compression sound waves are travel, compression, then this eardrum push inside. But we know that in a sound waves, after compression, the rarefaction sound waves are travel, and where rarefaction sound waves are there, then the eardrums pull outside. As a result, because of the compression and rarefaction, the eardrums are get vibrate. Eardrum is get vibrate. Okay, so this sound waves causes the vibration in a eardrum. This vibration then accepted by the inner ear. Here is a liquid there. That vibration is then transferred into the liquid. Okay, and then the next part of the ear is that is called the inner. This one is the middle ear, and next part is that inner ear. In inner ear, there is a structure like a shell of a snail, like the organs are there. This organ is called as a cochlea. When eardrum generate the vibration, that vibration produce the stimulus or the vibration. That vibration accepted by this cochlea. It accepted by the cochlea, and then from cochlea it converts into electrical signal. Here it converts into electrical signals. In inner ear, that electrical signals are accepted by the nerves. Nerves are there. Through these nerves, that electrical signals sent towards the brain. Then brain analyze these electrical signals. As a result, we come to know our sound. Okay. In this way, in a human ear, these sound waves are when pass, it generates the sound. म्हणजे आपण आवाज कसा ऐकायला येतो, तर या प्रकारे आपल्या कानामध्ये रिॲक्शन होते, प्रोसेस होते. ओके, सो आवर पार्ट external ear, middle ear, and inner ear. These three parts in our ear, these three parts are there, and each part the different functioning is take place. Okay, it is our important organ, so we have to take care. Don't insert any sharp objects in our ear. If you insert the sharp object, it causes damage to our eardrum, and if eardrum is get damaged, then we can't listen the sound. Okay, so there you should be take care of our ear. Okay, here the topic number 12 is completed. Complete its exercise. Thank you so much.